In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable use desktop theater when VR is active Steam. Before we dive in, here's what this setting actually does. Desktop theater lets you play traditional, non-VR games inside a virtual theater when your VR headset is active. Imagine a big floating screen in front of you, so you don't have to take off your headset just to play a standard game. Some people love it for convenience, others prefer to keep non-VR games on their monitor. The good news is you can switch it on or off per game in just a few clicks. Start by opening the Steam application on your PC. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your account so you can access your library and game settings. Once Steam is open, head to your library and find the game you want to adjust. Right-click the game title to bring up the context menu, then choose Properties. This opens the game-specific settings window, which is where Steam keeps the toggle we want. In the Properties window, make sure you're on the General tab. This is usually the first tab you see, and it contains launch options and a few important toggles. Look for the option labeled Use Desktop Theater when VR is active. This is the exact setting that controls whether Steam launches the game into that virtual theater whenever your headset is connected and active. If you want to enable desktop theater, simply check the box. From now on, when your VR headset is active and you launch that game, it will appear on a large virtual screen inside your headset. This can be helpful if you want to stay in VR between different apps, or if you prefer the immersive theater feel without switching to a native VR version. Keep in mind that this is intended for non-VR games. If a game has its own VR mode, the theater mode isn't needed. If you want to disable desktop theater, uncheck the box. This is a great choice if you'd rather have the game launch on your regular monitor while your headset remains connected, or if you want to avoid accidentally starting the theater environment. When you're done, close the Properties window. Steam saves your changes automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do here. Remember, this is a per-game setting, so you can repeat this process for any other title in your library and tailor the experience to your preferences. That's all you need to manage desktop theater for your games. Thanks for watching.